Hello, my lovely fart faces. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Jaded Gem Shop. If you've never ordered from Jaded Gem Shop, make sure you watch this video so you know what to expect. I opened up the box a little bit so that I didn't have to struggle on camera, but this is the diamond painting we are going to be unboxing today. I've wanted this one for a while and I finally pulled the trigger. I was like, I'm just gonna get it, so I got it. If you are new here though and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting videos, like diamond painting accessories, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting whenever I feel like it. Here is our canvas and here's a better look at the thumbnail. This measures 50 by 70 centimeters and it looks like there's going to be 39 colors. Here are our drills. Is there another? Yes, I figured there'd be another package of drills. So there's two packages of drills. You can see the colors. It's going to be a lot of pinks, some blues. But yeah, overall, lots of pinks and blues. They're nicely labeled, so if you store your diamond painting separate from your drills, you at least have the code of the diamond painting and then 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. So you won't get lost. But yeah, they're mostly pinks and blues. We'll take a look at the drills. We'll take a closer inspection of the drills afterwards. You also get some washi tape. Here's just some green washi tape. It's jade in color. Is that on purpose, Jade? Jaded Gem Shop? I don't know. Let's take a look to see what comes with our canvas. We have our sticker sheet. Wow. I'm so excited for this one, guys. I love her ears. I love her kimono, I guess. I just love the style of this one. And here are some stickers. You can actually peel these off, put them on your containers when you're kitting up. I did not order this one with ABs, so it does not come with ABs, but you do have the option of ordering with ABs. And I ordered this one in square because I'm a big fan of Jaded Gem Shop squares. So I'm gonna roll out this canvas. Oh, and also we get cover paper, or yeah, cover paper. I'm like, what is it called? Release paper. And both sides of the release paper are sticky, so you don't have to worry about putting down the wrong side and ruining your drill area. I'm just rolling the canvas backwards because it is a poured glue canvas, so you can do that. Wow, okay. Okay, so what I've seen so far, I'm liking. But what do you guys think? Let's pull out this baby. Wow. Oh my god. OMG. Oh my goodness. This is perfect. I love the drill field. I love the drill field from Jaded Gem Shop canvases because it looks like a negative photo. So like it's kind of like you don't know what you're going to expect, but you know that it's going to be good because you just watch the picture come to life as you lay your drills down. So again, here's information on the canvas at the top. It's called Sea Demon, 50 by 70 centimeters. It's made by Karla Rodriguez, aka Dolittle. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. You have the logo in the top middle. And here is Jade. If you want to find her shop, you can go on Instagram, YouTube, and as well as on her website. And she's also on Facebook. But at the bottom of the canvas is where you'll find your schematic. So the one thing that I like about regular canvases is when the schematic's on the top left and bottom right, but that's fine. Usually I work off the sticker sheet or I'll cut this off and work off of this. So that's just one of my pet peeves, but honestly, it doesn't stop me from buying diamond paintings from Jaded Gem Shop. We'll take a look at the drill area. Okay. So I'm not seeing any issues with any symbols looking blurry. Let me know in the comments if you guys see anything. But to my naked eye, I'm not seeing any issues. Here's her face. We can take a look at the rendering of her face. Wow, this one's so pretty. And I love her kimono. I know I said it earlier, but I just love it. What do you guys think of this canvas? Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. And I think, You can get this canvas in different sizes, but 50 by 70, like I'm really happy with the size that I chose. I didn't want to go any bigger or any smaller. 50 by 70 is like kind of an average for the size of diamond paintings I do. Jade does have some confetti heavy diamond paintings. Like I just finished Skull Kitty from her, but she told me that one's heavily confetti, or it's confetti heavy because it is a watercolor image. But this one, it looks like it will be a good mixture of confetti and color blocking. Like there's a good mixture amount of that. And I'm just so excited. I really like the level of detail in the paintings. And if you didn't know, the pictures are actually touched up before they're sent to rendering, and also after they're rendered they're still touched up again. So it's not just like, here's an image, I'm just going to send it off and get it manufactured. There's actually a lot of thought that goes into these images, so I'm really excited about it. Yeah, let's take a look at the drills. I have worked on a number of jade diamond paintings in the past and have never found issues with the drills. They're resin drills, so that is like definitely a bonus because you know you're getting good quality drills if they're resin. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to mix these up. I'm scared because they're like cut by color, and I don't want to mix them up because I won't be able to get them back in the package. So we'll look at these. I'm not seeing any trash. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I dropped some. Okay, and then here are more drills. This pink is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna make a mess. This is a really quick unboxing because it is Family Day in Canada, aka President's Day in the United States. So I don't want to take up too much of your lovely, important, valuable Family Day time. But this painting, I love it so much. What do you guys think about it? I just... Overall, like with Jade's diamond paintings, and I'm not just saying this because I'm biased because I'm friends with her, but I have no issues with her diamond paintings. Like the glue is always sticky. The cover for the diamond paintings is thicker than what you might be used to, but I love it because it sits, you don't even need a cover minder. You literally cut the section and then you can just fold the clear cover and it stays in place, which I love because I don't know, I collect cover minders, but I'm not a big cover minder user, if that makes sense. And it's just no nonsense. Like I just love the straightforwardness of getting a kit and not having to worry about anything being wrong with it. And if something is wrong, message Jade, like she'll make it right. So yeah, I'm amazed at this one, guys. Literally, I'm so glad that I ordered it. I'm in love with it. Oh my god, I just want to work on it right now. Can I just work on it right now, like right at this section? I don't know. But that is my canvas. It is, again, called Sea Demon by Karla Rodriguez. I will put the link in the description box below, and I'll also put a link to Jade's YouTube channel if you want to go over there and subscribe. She does go live, and she does package orders live and does other things on live. So make sure you check her out. Let me know in the comments down below, do you love this image, and is this on your wish list? Ugh, it's been on my wish list for a very long time, so I'm finally glad it is here. I'll shut up now, but if you're new here, you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. You don't have to buy at dinner or anything. You literally just click the button, and you'll get, if you hit the bell notification, you'll get notified when I upload new videos, which I do whenever I feel like it. So just go ahead and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!